Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down AMD's third quarter 2024 earnings in under 5 minutes. We'll first cover key financial performance metrics, then dive into insights from the earnings call. Let's get started. Starting with top-line revenue, original estimates for Q3 were $6.71 billion. The company reported $6.82 billion, which beat estimates by 1.59%. This quarterly revenue also represented a 17.7% increase over the same quarter last year. Moving on to adjusted earnings per share, original estimates for Q3 were 92 cents per share. The company reported EPS of 92 cents per share, which was right in line with estimates. This earnings per share also represented a 31.4% increase over the same quarter last year. Now let's take a look at some additional performance metrics highlighted in the earnings call. First up, gross margin. AMD expanded its gross margin to 54%, which is a significant achievement. This improvement was primarily driven by the strong performance of their data center segment, showcasing the company's ability to improve profitability as they scale. Speaking of the data center segment, it was a standout performer this quarter. The segment's revenue more than doubled compared to the same period last year. This remarkable growth underscores AMD's strengthening position in the high-performance computing market. The client segment also showed robust growth, with revenue increasing by 29%. This indicates that AMD is successfully gaining market share and momentum in the PC processor market, particularly with their Ryzen processors. Another key financial metric was operating income, which reached an impressive 25%. This demonstrates AMD's operational efficiency and ability to convert revenue into profitable earnings. The company is not just growing, but growing smartly. Now let's shift gears and look at some of the most important insights and takeaways from the earnings call. First, the AI accelerator market is set to experience explosive growth. AMD expects this market to grow at more than 60% annually, reaching a staggering $500 billion by 2028. To put that into perspective, that's equivalent to the entire semiconductor industry's annual sales in 2023. AMD's Instinct GPU line is gaining significant traction. The company has raised its 2024 data center GPU revenue guidance from $4.5 billion to exceeding $5 billion. Major players like Meta and Microsoft are expanding their use of MI300X accelerators across various workloads, from inference to training. The EPYC processor momentum continues to impress. AMD is seeing strong enterprise wins and expanding cloud deployments. They've launched their next-generation Turin family, which has already set over 130 performance records across various workloads. Companies like Oracle are seeing substantial performance improvements with these new processors. The AI PC market is emerging as a significant opportunity. AMD is positioning itself at the forefront with its Ryzen AI 300 series processors. They're seeing strong adoption from manufacturers like Acer, HP, and Lenovo, and expect to have more than 100 Ryzen AI Pro commercial platforms in the market next year. Lastly, AMD is making strategic investments in AI infrastructure. The company's acquisition of ZT Systems and continued development of their ROCm software stack demonstrate their commitment to becoming an end-to-end AI infrastructure leader. CEO Lisa Su summed it up perfectly when she said this is an incredibly exciting time for AMD as they execute their next arc and aim to become the end-to-end AI leader. For investors and tech enthusiasts, the key takeaway is clear. AMD is not just participating in the AI revolution. They're positioning themselves to be a major driving force. That wraps up our recap of AMD's third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.